Hey everyone, today we're going to contour the mature face. So the first thing we're going to do is start with clean skin, and we're going to start with the highlighting portion of the skin. So you want to take a light concealer, anything that's much lighter than your skin. I like to use a cream, and then we're going to strategically place it along the areas of the face we want to brighten. So for me, I'm going to start on the outside corner of the eye, the inner corner, bringing it up to the nose and also in. I'm going to do straight down the nose and above the eyebrows. And I'm also going to do just the outside edges of the lips and making sure I go around the nostrils. So these are the areas that I'd like to bring out. So next, with a deeper shade, we're going to contour the outside areas of the face that we want to be deeper, that we want to recess away from us. And also I'm going to bring this just under my cheekbone and just chisel it down. And then the sides of the nose, going up into the eyebrow. And you don't need to be super precise because there's going to be a lot of blending. And that's the contouring and highlighting portion. Starting with the actual highlight, I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to start to very lightly just buff this into the skin. Before we do any other blending, I'm just softening the areas that I've highlighted so that it's a more natural appearance when we come to apply the foundation. Now we move on to the contour. So we're just softening the edges here so that they're not as harsh and not as pigmented. The goal of this tutorial isn't to create amazing bone structure, it's to create dimension in the face so that the face has more life in it. It's not all one color and one tone. And this way you get a really beautiful finish. I'm just going to blend the nose up into the eyebrow so that it connects. Here we go. And with my finger, I'm just going to gently smooth out the highlight on the nose. So next up, I'm going to take a tissue and wrap it in a sponge. And I'm now just going to dab this over the face to absorb any of the excess oils and some of the pigment that is in this cream concealer, and it will make the blending process easier, and it will also make sure that it lasts a lot longer. So now we need to use foundation. I'm going to use a liquid, so I'm going to give it a shake, and I'm going to just take a drop and I'm going to place that onto the back of my hand. Then with a stippling brush, I'm just going to get some product onto the brush, and now I'm going to stipple over the entire skin. What I'm trying to do is remove the line but allow the depth to still shine through, or the lightness to come through. So just blend it and stipple it all over the face until the lines are removed but the depth and lightness is still there. So just pat and press the product into the skin, and slowly everything will morph into one and you'll be left with a really pretty canvas. When it comes to the nose, you want to stipple the edges and make sure you're stippling up, not down. We want to bring it up. So stipple in an upwards direction. And then with your finger, whatever's left of that foundation, just very lightly tap it onto the nose just to blend that highlight. So you can see that there's structure to the skin now. It's not flat or all one color, and you can still see the lightness and the depth where I contoured. So now we want to powder everything down, and then we'll add a final hint of color because we want this to be natural and wearable. I'm going to take a pressed powder, and I'm now just going to mattify the entire face This will further add to the blending of those light and dark, make everything mesh well together and last. And as a final step, we're just going to add a touch of blusher to the face to add a bit of warmth and colour. And I'm just going to apply this lightly just to the cheekbone area, and then just circle it around to blend it. And then as a final touch with that pressed powder on the puff, I'm just going to blend it. And that is the contoured face look for mature skin. It's simple, it's perfect, it's pretty, it's wearable. No one would know you've done it, but there is structure and balance to the face. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.